Coleman BT200X. Tires actually feel really nice. These have got to be the largest twist ties I've ever seen. Thick, beastly twist ties. Alright. We got the handlebars, came on with twist ties. Everything looks in decent shape. Seat cover I'll leave on for the time being. Wrapped up nice in plastic. Don't seem to be any brakes on it. Got a bit of snow I came in with it there. Push it out by the car. Interesting bottom. They had appear to be holes for the wheels. Condition, I got the box from Walmart. Not really sure what happened, but sort of looks like a fork went through right about here. And then back out. And then back in. And then back out. And then back in. Back out. The wheel's sitting in there, but fork blade looked to have gone right through that. I didn't like seeing that inside of the box. At the top of the box, has extra layer of protection for cardboard, which is really nice because I thought the top was going to be damaged. Turned out to not be the case. So far, I was actually hoping that the rear wheel was not going to be on and assembled, but that's only because I plan to take off the rear wheel and take off the rear tire, as well as the front tire from the wheel itself, from the pump, and look at getting some spikes on there to actually be able to ride this thing in the winter. So, the goal being, or the hope being, I have a bike for winter, not necessarily a dirt bike, it's a little bit safer to ride around on the ice, in case my wife does want to take it out. Or in case friends want to take it out, because I'm not going to take out a leader bike on the ice.
Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Woo! It's cold on my man bits.
Well, I'm not going to let friends take out a leader bike on the ice. And I don't really want to do that to the tire. At least just yet. Oh, meow. Fit in there. This part pre-assembled, which is your frame, your engine, your cables, throttle, and I'm going to assume brake, not clutch. Yep, that's brake. Pulling right down here. One of the descriptions said disc brake. This is a drum brake. Frame is beefy. That's one of the things I've been hearing. A lot of people say that the frame is a lot nicer, a lot thicker. I do like the way the frame is. We'll see how the engine holds up, especially in cold starts. I'm guessing the front forks. Get the light a little bit better. Front forks, shock. Looks like that'll be pretty easy. I like how it's already put, the bolt is already put inside of here, which is nice. I'll pop it out, put it right back in. I know exactly which part goes where. And the last box. So really doesn't seem to be too much to this. I'm going to guess headlights, and then fenders. Doesn't look to be too much to assemble. Some zip ties, I'm guessing for those cables there. Manual. Looks to be no more than a few bolts, a couple washers, and it's probably better over there in the light. But nice little tool kit. Yeah, I've been hearing some nicer things about these fenders, and they're actually pretty nice. Plastics, not aluminum. Nice bracket up here at the front. Yeah, not much to it. Which is really nice, because the last time I put a mini bike together, there was a lot more to it than this. Kind of don't really want to put this down on the ground. I won't. There it is. Yay! Last little box. Is that headlight, right? Okay. Yep. Headlight. Has this little protective saran wrap over the front of it. I'll leave it on now. For now. And then, oh, look at there. Nice. Again, the bolts are already on it. The washers are already on this. Nice little pre-assembly thing instead of having everything in a bag and trying to piece it together. So good, intuitive nature for assembly. That's it. Hopefully I'll be able to figure out a good way to take off that rear wheel and then put the tire spikes in there and go from there. This ant is a complete jerk. You're still fast. Oh, he slimed me! Totally uber-goobered on me. Look at that. If I can just jump in and it'll go well. Nope, not so much.